Well, welcome back. 2007 Honda CR-V 2.4 liter, straight inline four, dual overhead cam. Going to do spark plugs in it, 185, 186,000 miles. Never been done in this car, as far as the owner knows. They've never been changed, so they're way overdue. We're going to change them. Should be simple, hopefully. We'll see. All right, so just 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. Back two look pretty cruddy. That's a cover on top of it, top of the ejectors and spark plugs, so hopefully these just not give us too much problem. Yep. Alright, should be the cover here. Alright, should be the cover here. Take that cover off. I'm going to undo these. Ouch. Now I know why I have gloves on. It is smoking hot. There's one. I got one. Boy, that's hot. Get a little screwdriver. Whew. Just want to get these off here. Two. Come on. 3. And number 4. Come on. There we go. All 4 of them. We'll just set these coils. We'll just pull these coils right out. Wow. Look at the burn on that one. Whew. Well, we're going to do plugs right now and see what it does, but we got definitely a burn ring on them. All 3 out of 4 so far, right there. Not seeing a carbon tracking now. Not really. They look good on that, but man, they get a hot spot in them right there. All 4 of them, same place. Take a peek down there. They're all clean down there, so we just need to reach in there and take them out. 5/8 for this one. Good start. Come on. Yeah, there's one. Look like they're burning pretty well, but they do have a lot of miles on them. Okay, compare it to the new one here. I'm guessing that gap's going to be a little bigger. These are, you don't gap these are iridium plugs, so they're pre-gapped. And they are, it's a little open, a little worn is what I expected. Not that many miles on them. Just go one at a time. My socket. How did I know that was going to happen? In my socket already. There we go. 1 down, 3 to go. Two down, 2 to go. Okay, coils back in. Right back down. Might be a good idea to put them all in first, so if you drop something, it doesn't end up going down there and you have to fish it out. Probably not a bad idea. And I'm going to actually, before I put these back in, I'm going to actually put the connectors back on them while they're still loose. Make it a little easier on myself, I think. Really definitely a burn around all the same. I don't know if that's a hot spot in this engine or don't know. They don't seem to be misfiring or anything, so I'm not touching them because they're not causing a problem. But they all have the same pattern on them. Definitely easier when they're up, connecting them back up there. Now I'll put those back in. Slide them up. That's it. Let's go start it up. See what it does. Yep, running good. Well, that's it. Real simple. Spark plugs that hadn't been changed in 185,000 miles on a 2.4 Honda 2007 CRV. No, 2.4s in a lot of cars. So, got to do this for your vehicle. I hope it helps you out. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.